Hello and welcome to Lab 1 for MANU2060. In this lab we're going to walk through setting up GrabCAD Print to work with the 3 college printers and how to bring in an STL file and orient it and prepare it for printing. First, launch GrabCAD Print. Once GrabCAD Print opens, log in with your information. As soon as GrabCAD opens, your window should look similar to this. Next, you should be prompted to select your company account. Conestoga College should be the only one you see, so click on Select Account. When the pop-up window opens up for Setup Operating Hours, select Setup Later. Next, select the option to skip the tour. If you receive a warning about using an integrated graphics card, accept Don't Show Again and close the warning. Your screen should now look similar to this. Next, we're going to add the printers. Near the bottom right-hand corner of your GrabCAD window, select the down arrow beside Add Printer. Scroll through the FDM printers until you find the Stratus F120. Select it and also click on the star beside it to bookmark it as a favorite and make it quicker to reselect in the future. The printer tray will now have changed to represent that for our F120 printers. Next, we want to add the Uprint SE printer. Select the Uprint SE printer and add it as a favorite. Lastly, from the PolyJet printers, select the Object 500 and again select the star to bookmark it as a favorite. Congratulations, you are now ready to start adding models and prepare them for printing on the college's printers.